everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the Fringed Butterfly small metal die set I received from scrapdivadesigns, and you can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting February 1st, 2024. You could also get a 10% discount using the code prisgemicinc. All the details will be in the description box below. Let's get started. So what I would do is I would cut out all the different pieces and coordinate them with the papers that you like. And so and these body parts for the butterfly, I did gold and I added some gems onto the antennae and also the head, and I backed it up with foam. And let's glue those two pieces together. This body part goes on the top. Align it from the bottom. And the antennas are sticking at the top there. And let's get that to the one side. They look like this. It's really pretty. I did different layers and I decided to like fold it up so it'll get some dimension, and I also left the sides open so you could like make it more multi-dimensional, but you could also glue them all down together like this. But I just thought it was fun to have it like a little bit loose. And for this one, I made pockets out of them so you could put like little things in the butterfly and decorate it. So I made these little fairies. It's so cute, and I put it in here. If I get it back in, it's because it got curved. But yeah, it's really cute. There we go. Look how cute this is. So cute. I put some gems here too. And I've added some charms at the bottom. So, okay, I just got sidetracked again. Sorry. So the first one I would lay down first is this bottom big piece. That's the whole thing. And then the next piece is the bigger piece. And what I did was I laid a piece of ribbon on top of the butterfly, and I cut around it, but I guess you could try to use the die to cut this mesh piece too, and put it on top like this. I just love the dots that are holographic. Just gives it a little punch to the design. And I'm just gonna glue the middle piece here because I want it to kind of the wings to move upwards a bit. Just align it to the base here with the body and the wings. Make sure they're all aligned. There. See, now you can like move this upwards, and you can also curve it in the bottom piece too. Next we have this third piece. We're gonna also glue this in the middle. And if you want to make pockets, what you would do is just glue the sides here like this and like this. And if you do the pockets, then it won't be fringed. So like the little layers that come out like this. And you can start trying to release the strips so you'll get more volume. And the last piece is these bottom corner pieces that go down here. That's the last layer, and I'll make this a pocket. So what we're gonna do is just gonna do that and also on the side. Align the pieces up. I'm thinking maybe this one is on the other side. Let's see. Yes. This, because the fringes are, doesn't look, maybe it's supposed to be like that. And let's go to the other side. Yes. Okay. Let's glue the sides to make pockets. There. We're gonna use a small tool to make this come out a bit so you can slot things in. Just carefully release it. And we could test it by taking this little fairy out and putting it in here. So cute. So it works. Look how cute this is. And let's glue the body part. And I'm gonna turn on my glue gun. And what I did in the back, I put foam 2 layers so it'll give more dimension. And these charms, so pretty. And I added these dewdrops on the wings. Just waiting for the glue gun to heat up, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the hot glue onto the body here. Maybe just the top 2 portions, 2/3 of the body. And maybe even use hot glue for here because it's kind of coming out, so it's ready. Let's use the hot glue. Gotta be careful because it's really tiny. You don't want to burn yourself. I burned myself one time because I didn't place the glue gun upwards. It was like downwards like this. I don't know why I did it like that, but anyways, I touched it and then it burned my hand. Yeah, so gotta be careful with this glue gun. So let's do the 2/3 part of the body. There. And make sure you align the, you could tell by the head, just stick it to the head like that. You won't go wrong with that. So it's in the middle. And this top, bottom part, we're gonna get this ready, the charms. Just making sure they're in the right place. Okay, so let's put some hot glue in the bottom of the butterfly. Not sure if you can see. Okay. And while we put the hot glue in the body, we can stick this in with this tweezer. Hold it at the bottom here and place it at the bottom like this. Push it in and push the bottom of the butterfly. And now it's stuck on there. And just take the access glue off. There. Look how pretty. And you can well, take the fairies out and you can bend it at the side of your desk to make it more dimensional, and make it go up like this and then bend it a bit. So cute. The dimensions for these butterflies are about 6.6 or 6.5 by 5.5 approximately centimeters. I'm gonna list where you could get these Fringed butterfly metal die sets down in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.